Good morning, students. Welcome to BSc 1 second semester Environmental Science class. Today, we shall discuss on biological levels of organization. Biological levels of organization. That means the biological organisms have been constructed, or the biological world is constructed on different levels. ಸೊ ಜೀವಿಗಳ ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಯದ. ಅವು ಯಾವ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಆಗ್ಯದ ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ are highly organized and structured following a hierarchy that can be examined on a scale from small to large. ಜೀವಿಗಳು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅದರ ರಚನೆ ಆಯಿತು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೋದು, ಸಣ್ಣದರಿಂದ ದೊಡ್ಡದರವರೆಗೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತದ ಈ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಗಳು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಂದವು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಪ್ರಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಗಳು ಬರೀ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದು. ಬರ್ತಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದವು. ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿತ್ತು, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿತ್ತು. ಈಗಿರೋ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಮೊದಲು ಹುಟ್ಕೊಂಡಂಥ ಜೀವಿಗಳು ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ಬರ್ತಾ ಜೀವಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿಟಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಯಿತು. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹಂತಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವಿಗಳ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಅದರ ಹೈರಾರ್ಕಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಆಯಿತು ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೋದು ನಾವೀಗ. ದ ಆಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. You know that atom, any element you take, it has an atom. Atom is the smallest and most fundamental unit of matter. It consists of a nucleus surrounded by electrons. That you know it very well. So you take any atom, this atom has nucleus at the center, and this nucleus is surrounded by electrons. So atoms form molecules which are chemical structures consisting of at least two atoms held together by one or more chemical bonds. So atoms together form molecules. Molecules are larger than atoms. Okay. So first, smallest part of the environment or this creation is atom. Smallest part of an element is an atom. So several atoms together form molecules, at least two atoms. For example, O2. O2 is a molecule of oxygen. It has two more atoms of oxygen. So like that, molecule is larger than atom. Atom is the smallest thing, unit of matter. Later on, atoms together form molecules. Okay. So the atoms are connected with the help of bonds, chemical bonds. Next, many molecules that are biologically important are macromolecules. Many molecules, biologically important molecules are macromolecules. For example, the protein, amino acid, for example, amino acid, monosaccharide, fatty acids, glycerol, they're all biologically important molecules. Large molecules that are typically formed by polymerization. By the polymerization of monomers, in case of protein, the polymer is protein, monomer is amino acids. Several amino acids together form polypeptide chain. This is called polymerization. Several monosaccharides together form polysaccharide, that is the polymer of carbohydrate. So like that, several molecules together form polymer. This is called polymerization. A polymer is a large molecule that is made by combining smaller units called monomers. So in protein, monomers are amino acids. In polysaccharide, monomers are monosaccharides. Okay. In fat, monomers are fatty acids and glycerol. So which are simpler than macromolecules. They are simple. An example of macromolecule is deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA. DNA is one of the polymer, and this polymer is made up of several monomers like nucleotides. Several nucleotides together form the macromolecule deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, which contains the instructions for the structure and functioning of all living organisms. So DNA is an important polymer or macromolecule which is necessary for transferring genetic characters in living organisms. Next, macromolecules can form aggregates within a cell that are surrounded by membranes. These are called organelles. Macromolecules are surrounded by several macromolecules are surrounded by a membrane. That structure, that unit is known as organelle. So far, how many types of aggregations we discussed? Atom, molecule, macromolecule, polymer. Macromolecule. Several macromolecules together form organelles. So organelles are small structures that exist within cells. Example, mitochondria, chloroplast. You take any cell, any eukaryotic cell, whether it is plant cell or animal cell. This has cell organelles like mitochondria, chloroplast. So mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. It produces ATP, which is known as energy currency, and